Now let's discuss example 13. Okay, we have here a point charge of Q, negative 2 microcoulomb, travels from point X to point Y in an electric field crossing a potential rise of 200 volt. Okay, so dia bagi satu charge, negative charge, okay, bergerak daripada point X to point Y. Okay, let's draw that one. So dekat sini kita ada point X, sini adalah point Y. So charge tersebut initially dekat point X and then it travels to point Y. Okay, so maksudnya X ni adalah initial point kita, ni adalah final point. Okay, so the charge just now it's a negative 2 microcoulomb. Okay, so what happened is when this charge move from X to Y, there is a potential rise. Okay, potential rise of 200. Okay, rise bermaksud okay, ada penambahan. Okay, penambahan sebanyak 200 volt. Kalau ada penambahan, maksud ini adalah value untuk change. Okay, the change of potential between X and Y. Okay, between X and Y is positive 200 volt. Because okay, the keyword here is rise in potential. Okay, ada perubahan dalam potential sebanyak positive 200 volt. Okay, so ini maklumat yang dibagilah. Okay, first question, determine the work done in transferring the charge. Okay, so berapa banyak kerja yang dilakukan semasa charge tersebut okay, bergerak daripada point X dan point Y. Okay, so ni berbalik kepada formula potential, which is potential YX equal to work done between YX divided by the charge. Okay, charge yang digerakkan lah. So ingat lagi, bila kita gunakan label ni, okay, huruf yang pertama adalah kita punya point final, yang kedua adalah point initial. Okay, so just masukkanlah, kita ada positive 200 equal to work done is what we want to find, divided by the charge that is moving, it's negative charge, jangan lupa masukkan sign convention. So work done you will get negative 4 exponent negative 4 joule. Okay, so formula untuk unit untuk work done adalah joule. Okay, yang kedua, okay, given here an electric potential of negative 20 volt exists at point Y. Determine the potential at point X. Ini dia bagi potential dekat satu point saja. Okay, dekat point Y ni, potential is equal to negative 20 volt. So we want to find what is the potential at X. Okay, so since we already know the potential between these 2 points, okay, which is the potential between Y and X adalah sama dengan final tolak initial. Okay, so potential between them is 200, dekat Y pula negative, so kita boleh kira lah dekat X. Okay, just calculate, you will get negative 220 volt. So ini potential dekat satu point. Okay, yang ini potential between 2 points. So there is a difference between these two value. Okay, next one. Based on question A, deduce what is the change in potential energy between X and Y in the electric field. Sekarang ni kita mau kira potential change in potential energy, maksudnya delta U lah. Okay, so mau kira delta U, always refer kepada delta V. Kalau mau kira delta U, dia mesti refer kepada delta V balik, which is formula untuk delta U adalah Q delta V. So since dia minta between point X and Y kan, okay, between point X and Y, so just masukkanlah Q kita adalah negative 2 and then delta V kita adalah positive 200. So you will get negative 4 exponent negative 4 joule. Okay, so kalau kamu nampak dekat sini, value dekat sini, change in potential energy adalah sama dengan work done. Okay, so remember before this in first semester we learned about work and energy. They are basically the same thing. When you are doing work, you are basically transferring an energy with the same amount of value. So kat sini basically delta U, the change in potential energy, is the same as the work done between that point. Okay, between X and Y, change in potential energy between X and Y. So that's why soalan ni dia tidak minta kamu calculate ataupun determine, dia cakap deduce. Okay, based on question A. Okay, so if you understand the concept, you know that they are the same value.